Today in your reading mini lesson, you should have learned about authors and illustrators and how they use diagrams and infographics to give information. And you should have looked at this diagram from the book Our Seasons that describes how the seasons change, and the arrows are showing you the direction in which the seasons change. A diagram is a picture that shows how something works or the parts of something. And then you should have talked about an infographic. And an infographic is also a picture, but it has words and pictures. So, for example, in this picture, it explains how a seed, there's the word seed, and then you can see how it grows, and then it turns into a plant. So there's pictures and words to represent what's going on. Authors and illustrators often include these in nonfiction texts to help you understand the information better. And so today, during your independent reading time, we would like for you to choose a nonfiction book. And as you read, notice if it has any diagrams or infographics. Be sure to think about what you're learning from them, look at them, try to figure out why that author might have included them, and be ready to discuss the infographics and diagrams that you found today when we get back together as a class.